Jan Juc House, a coastal retreat for retirement. Nestled within the coastal suburb of Jan Juc, this site offers sloping terrain that provides stunning views over the town, leading to the coastal scrub and distant ocean glimpses. Originally, the land was home to a simple, lightweight cement sheet house, emblematic of the area's early Australian beach houses, known for their modest size, clear structural lines, and unpretentious materials. Design vision. The new Jan Juc House was envisioned as a serene retreat, designed to be warm in the winter and cool in the summer, perfectly suited for the client's retirement years. It accommodates a couple comfortably on the upper level while providing the flexibility to host multiple guests with privacy on the lower level. Architectural features. The house welcomes visitors with an elevated double-height entry deck that sets the stage for a generous and straightforward approach. This entry introduces a palette of simple timber and concrete block materials, enhancing privacy for the internal spaces. Upon entering, a circulation stair leads to a raking volume, with an elongated kitchen along the rear, seamlessly integrating the living, dining, and main bedrooms on the upper level. The lower level offers a contrasting sense of privacy, featuring a flexible multi-purpose office retreat and guest bedrooms. Light and views. A lightweight roof design elevates towards the north, allowing sunlight to penetrate deeply into the living spaces while preserving the expansive southern views over neighboring houses, offering occasional glimpses of the ocean. Streetscape and privacy. The house's planning provides a refined address to the streetscape, creating a sense of depth and privacy through its careful elevation and the projected front deck. This design approach balances openness with seclusion, making the Jan Juc House a perfect retirement retreat that harmonizes with its coastal surroundings.